Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a car wireless charger that can hold your phone and it can cool it in the same time. This is the ZEEHOO Ice Block CF70. It supports 15, 10, 7.5 and 5 watts of fast charging. It's got double coils. It's got a thermoelectric semiconductor, a peltier basically inside it that will cool your phone. You know, sometimes the phone gets heated up when you charge it wirelessly, especially if it's in the car and you have the heating on. Like the UK, it's cold most of the time and you can have the heating on. The phone will get hot. Not with this device. We got some specs on the side here of the box. So semiconductor refrigeration, double charging coils, Qi wireless charging, 360 degrees rotation, and multiple installation methods. On the back, so it says auto clamping fast wireless car charger. We have some specifications right here. So Ice Block CF70, 5 volts 2 amps, 9 volts 1.67 amps, and 12 volts 1.5 amps. It outputs 5, 7.5, 10 and 15 watts specifically. Charging distance less or equal to 4 millimeters. Power conversion 80%, so it's quite efficient. If you guys got any issues, you can contact them at support.zeehoo.info. They will be more than happy to help you with any query. The box is simple, nice design, tells you everything you need. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we actually get inside. After opening the box, this is what we get. We get a cable, 1 meter, USB A to USB Type C. We get a spare threaded knob. We get a 45 watt quick charge Type A and PD Type C power adapter. We get the main unit itself, which these clamps right here are automatic. You just either have to press this button right here on the side, or on the other side you got another one, depends of your orientation. This bit right here, it's adjustable, so you can adjust your height. We get a ring which has sticky tape on the back, so you can stick it to your dashboard. You put the suction cup stand on it, then you press this and it should stay in position. This stand right here can be adjusted, so you can bend this bit all the way down here, even further away if you want to. It's entirely up to you. This will go right here and you can turn it 360 degrees, which is quite clever. We get a user manual with a QR code with a setup video, so it shows you how it works. Very helpful. And we get this special card which says free replacement for any issue. Just have to hit that email up that I told you earlier or scan that QR code. Right now, let's take everything to my car and I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks like when it's set up, and I'm gonna test it with this Samsung S21 Ultra limited edition. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay guys, so I have set up the charger in my car. This is how it looks. I've put it on the front window right now just because I'm not decided yet where to put it, but it works if you want to do that. If not, you can use the included circle adapter to stick it on your dashboard, either here or here. I will think about where I'll have to mount it on, but for now this will do, just for the sake of the review. Cable goes in, USB Type C right here, goes all the way down to a USB Type C, Type A, which is a quick charge 3.0, and you get another PD Type C, which you can obviously use to charge other devices. And it's important to use the original cable because it might not work with other cables if they're not the same power rating. And in terms of the Ice Block CF70, there's nothing much to say about it. It just works. It's great. It cools your phone and it charges your phone in the same time, which is really great. It's got an RGB fan on the back. I don't know if I can show you that because I cannot put my camera far enough, but it's here. And if you guys want to see how it works, this is my Samsung phone. It works with iPhone, it works with any wireless charging phone compatible. It closes by itself and it's gonna start charging and cooling it. You know it's cooling it when you can hear the fan on the back. It's just slightly noise. It doesn't make much noise. Your car will make much noise when you're driving, so it's barely noticeable. And if you want to release the phone, I showed you the buttons. You got one down here and one down here. It depends which one you want to press, which one is easier for you. Left hand, right hand. You're gonna press this one, the phone will come down. And yeah, you can use your phone, do whatever you want to do. When you want to put it back, again, same thing, just place it there. It's gonna hold it, it's gonna charge it in the same time. Of course, you can move it, you can have it sideways, you can have it anywhere you like, you can move it up and down. It's entirely up to you and to your driving style, not to impair your driving vision, because that's important as well. And yeah, if you guys want to buy the ZEEHOO Ice Block CF70 wireless charger, I'm gonna have a link into my description below. It's a really great device. I like the design, I like how it cools your phone. Fast charger as well, 15 watts if your device is 15 watts compatible. Yeah, they really talk about everything. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.